Fun with Ruth,
Ellie.
And Elisha.
Today is our day 2 here in Busan.
We're now gonna take a taxi going to Gamcheon. The person from the front desk is very nice. He got us a taxi going to Gamcheon. Sige, baby.
Hello. Laisha. Papa. Man.
Hi.
Marine City.
Marine City?
Marine City.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, marami nagsabi mas maganda daw ang Busan. Sa wala ka lang sa Oh, Patibaga. Oh, yung pala yun. Dito na tayo?
Okay, yes. Okay. Have a good nice day.
Oh, may mga sakso. Tukod.
Halika, come on.
Sige, lakad.
Okay.
Cover your face.
You have to be a ninja, like that. Okay.
Ah, sakit sa balat. Let's go. Sige, punta ulit na kayo. Dire-diretso lang. Whew. Gamcheon. Sige ma. Lalapit. Oo nga. Gusto niyo na ito? Okay. Ha? Ha? Oh, sige. Tingin mo na? Ha? Fruit shake. Fruit shake.
Pag malamig ha, giginawin ka lalo.
Lakad muna tayo. Gutom na ba kayo?
Si mama giniginaw.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ayun o, money exchange.
That's why we have to go up eh. Like this, oh. Ready? Taba. One more.
Kape to eh.
Kape siya.
Yeah. Hanap pa tayo. Cover your face, Eliza. Flipbook. Wow. Cool. We're gonna have lunch here. We're gonna find food here. Sana merong pwede kay Elijah.
You're not feeding me when I'm a baby.
Come on, food.
When I was a baby, you're feeding me.
Of course.
Noodle or milk?
No, no.
Milk?
Milk? Yeah.
But when I'm little and I'm three years old, you let me eat noodles.
No. You're not able to eat noodles when you're free.
You
Only
You let me eat.
Only fishy soup or something.
but you already let me eat noodles
Yeah, when you're 4.
or 5.
Is it yummy?
Hot?
Sleeps niya.
Yummy?
Dumi niya.
Boy, it's 30 na.
That's why.
Can you buy me one?
Ano mo muna.
Can you give me one?
Maanghang, no? This one is the dumpling ramen.
Taste it?
Meron pa akong rice eh.
Konti lang. Taste it first.
It's good.
It's good? Good.
Wow.
Spicy too.
Fish. Bulgogi.
Can I taste that?
Wow.
Can I taste that?
Display lang yan.
Let's see. Yummy, guys? Yummy? Yummy, Daddy? Okay, let's eat. Try their beef bulgogi. Rice.
I try.
Konti lang ng beef.
Can I try, Mommy? May I buy soup too?
Hot?
Masasana yan sa mga.
Good. No, there pa. Wait.
Sige nga, anayin mo nga. Natitsuran mo. Cute eh. Maman pa kami ah. Okay.
Pila ka? Ha? Hindi na? Lesha, go to daddy. Go to daddy. Hi. Are you tired?
Hindi. Nangangasaw yan.
We're now in Busan Station. We're gonna buy tickets going to Seoul in advance kasi baka puno na next time for sa Sunday. Kasi weekend. Seoul Station. Busan Station. Seoul ako sa Seoul Station. Busan Station. Ito na nga. Buti nandito na kami kasi yung 1 o'clock sold out na. Puro maaga na lang. So, 9:06 yung kukunin namin sa araw ng pagbalik namin ng Seoul. Kasi, weekend. So, punuan daw talaga. Sana meron pang front, forward facing. Para hindi nakakahilo. We got our tickets. Muntik na tayong mawalan ng ticket. Ay, muntik na kami mawalan ng ticket. Grabe, buti na lang. Ito tayo ng Krispy Kreme kasi nagugutom daw si Bata. Batang Elijah. And then we're gonna have coffee too. Oh, grabe. Original na lang ito.
Ano ba yan?
Okay. Original glazed. Bebe, this one na lang.
No, I'm buying something else.
Yummy. What's that?
Tamis.
Hey, straw ka. Ito. Oh, we're gonna try the subway. Let's go. Let's go down. Oh, watch where you're going. Oh, come on. There's a subway. Gotta go. Lamig. Okay, let's buy a ticket. Going to we're here in Samyeon Station, so we're gonna transfer to the Green Line, going to Hyundai. I hope it's not puno para upo. Ganda ng train system nila, no? Han, ganda ng train system nila, no?
Exit lang yan ba? Tapos
Going
bibili po
to
tayo ulit.
Hyundai.
Pero hindi na tayo lalabas. So, it's a long travel. Okay? Put your hands sa pocket na lang. Hold on this hand. Yeah, like that. Okay.
Ito.
Search mo. Pindito mo yung number. Hyundai Station. Hyundai Beach. Green Line.
Hindi yun eh. Akin na.
Ha? Hindi kasi papunta dito eh. Tingnan mo, mali yung lane mo eh. Line mo eh. Yan. Yan. 203.
Abot.
Abot? So, paano gagawin?
Hindi abot dun. Hindi pala pwede 1,000.
Okay na? 20 tickets.
Let's wait for the train.
Apo, diretso na doon. Doon sa atin po, Sunday. Papunta.
Pag ganun ata? Hey! We're now in Hyundai Station.
Let's go.
It's very convenient. Ang hirap lang magbuhat ng bata na naka-winter clothes dumudulas. Lamig.
Pa?
Paano lumabas? Paano lumabas? Po! Ay, ito! Yeah. It's so cold. Hindi namin expect. Buti nadaan kami dito. Lamig. Dami ko yun. Korean pork barbecue. Okay. Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Wow! No, it's not real. Wow! Ha? May video naman eh. Wow! Look, baby! So pretty. Ooh. Yeah. Hand selfie tayo? Dito? Gusto nyo ba sa ano?
Oo, doon sa
Hyundai Market?
Malapit na ba tayo dito?
Diba to? Hyundai Market. Sikat din to. Yan. Gusto nyo ba dyan?
Oo.
Try? O lamig na kayo?
Hindi. Hindi. Kaya naman.
Han? Try natin sa market. Let's go! Hyundai Traditional Market. Marami po. Tignan natin. We're gonna cross the street. Asan na yung dapat hotel natin?
Ma, sandali ma.
Ma, let's go. Let's go. Yun dapat yung hotel natin, ano? Best Western. Lumipat tayo. Katapat lang pala dapat niya. What's that? Okay. Sikat po ang Hyundai sa seafood.
Ito.
Oo. So kung may gusto kang seafood, pwede tayo dito kumain. Come on. Hanap tayo.
양이 되게 많아.
뻔뻔하게 해야 돼.
Hanap tayo ng seafood daw, Han. Restaurant. No, later na. We're gonna eat first.
연탕무해드립니다. 꼼장어를
Han, wait.
먹을까요?
Pag ganito gusto nyo? Dito. Ay, ito yung murang bilihan ng winter clothes.
Ganito or kasi galing tayo sa lakaran.
Ha? That's eel. That's eel.
It look like steak lang.
Eel yan, bebe.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
There's someone eating him.
Yes, they're eating the eel. Ito kaya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, snake.
Yes po. Ano to? Dito muna kayo. Pila kayo dyan. Pila ko. Nakababila dito. Looking for a place for dinner. Sana ito na. I hope it's good. We're gonna try it. Yeah. Doon tayo sa gilid na lang. Okay na yun. Tara. Okay na.
Yan na. Yes.
Ano to?
Yellow something. Ito. Root
Yeah.
yellow
Root
cheese yan eh.
yellow chicken.
Tapos nilap na. Pahingin ito sa papa.
Tapos kila Papa garlic. Yan, tigis ang kamay.
I can eat no chopsticks. This is how I eat when it's so big.
With chopsticks. And we bought the rice from GS 25 kasi walang rice. Dito, one lang ang pwede kasi may bagets. Pero bawal talaga magpasok ng outside food. Wow, you're so very good. Very good, bebe. How is it? Wait. Wow.
I want it. They look so yummy.
Wow, yes. We're now off to...
Korea.
No, we're already in Korea. In Hyundai Blue Line, Mipo Blue Line Station. Yan. Di masyadong malamig today. Unlike the past few days. Tapos today, maraming tao dito kasi it's a weekend. Yan. So this is Hyundai Beach. Parang ngayon pa lang kami nakabisita dito na may araw. Laging gabi. At is kita. Yan. Ito yung parang barko dun sa video namin na isang araw. Taran! Ito yung Club de Oasis. Bagong spa. Yan. Okay. Yan.
Bagay ako kaya eh.
Mommy, let's go there.
tayo mamaya. Busan Sky. That's where we're gonna go later. Diretso. Hi.
There's already birds.
Yeah, come on.
Ah!
Come here. So, kung sasakay ng Blue Line train, ayan, yun yung papunta niya. Chan, 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 chan. Pero baka hindi na kami sumakay. Hindi nata kami abot. Ayan. Haba pala niya. Korea Tourism Awards. Isa to sa mga sikat na destination dito. Tingnan muna natin dito, ma. Wait lang. Cafe Minion. Ito na yung Blue Line Station. Sky Capsule Tracks. Platform. Ayaw na namin sumakay mamaya. Kaya baka hindi na. Dito tayo. Pwede ba dito? Ayun. Ito, makikita natin dito. Ito may CR, tandaan nyo. Yan, CR. Oh, may beach train. Ito siya. Wow. Presyo. Medyo mahal din. Mahal pala. Ay, hindi. Pag 4 person, 50. Mahal nga. Nasa 2,000. Okay na rin. Okay na kami sa ganito. Maybe next time. If you wanna buy your tickets dito mismo sa place, meron silang kiosk where you can buy. Tapos pwede mong i-English. Una kasi naka-Korean. So, English. And then, ang gagawin mo, nag-purchase ka ba online ng ticket? Or gusto mo mag-purchase dito? So, ticket purchase. Ano gusto mo sakyan? Beach train ba to Mipo? Or beach train Mipo o yung Sky Capsule? So, Sky Capsule. Select. Next. No. It's okay. Tingnan nyo. Nakalagay dito kung sold out na. So, times at 5, 5:30, 5:30 to 6. Yon. No, it's sold out, oh. Sold out. No more na. Ayan. So, next. Look, oh, there's no more ticket na. Oh. So, there. BHC for dinner.
Yeah.
Because we need to be near the hotel na lang. Aga kasi ng ATX ride namin bukas.
Pansin niyo po? Yung isang slot, isang kapsa lang.
Salad.
Kaya nilipat ko namin. Kaya, ewan ko, sanay din kasi sa lamig. Kaya masaya.
But
Ba't karamihan ba ng mga bata pag galing sa ibang bansa?
Wow! Yummy!
Sa hindi eh. Dapat kasi.
Wait!
Elisha.
We're having dinner with friends. Hi po! Hi! Here sa BHC. After dinner, best thing to have is coffee. Yan, we're gonna try Blue Jack coffee. Kasi pinipilahan naman siya dito. Let's see! We have white Americano, coffee, mocha latte.
Go.
White Americano na lang ako. Hot.
May peanut latte oh.
Dolce latte. Magtatamis kasi sila eh. Uy, mura lang oh.
Sige, go.
Cinnamon cafe latte. Ay, tapos sakta. Cinnamon cafe latte. Large. Hindi decaf ko ba yan? Okay. Add to cart. Tapos sa'yo,
May peanut latte?
ice. Ice ka? Peanut latte?
Parang yan yung okay
May
na.
shock latte oh.
Ano yan?
Blue Shock signature blend of rich espresso savory milk and cream made by Blue Shock's own recipe.
Sige, sige.
Eh, decaf?
No.
Add to cart. Ay, walang size?
Ata, isa lang. Sige.
Add to cart. 851. Okay na to.
Peanut tops. Yan.
We're waiting for our coffee. We're preparing. So if you want to dine in, you can go inside here. Or thank you. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this? Ice.
Shang latte, yeah.
Okay, okay. And this one is the hot. Okay, thank you. Ano?
Hindi ko alam ano to. Shot lang.
Gulat ka, maliit, no? Kaya pala one size lang.
Espresso shot.
Mas malaki pa yung akin. Hot. Usually, yung hot yung ano, yung maliit. Sabi ko, ito ba yung hot?
Specialty doon nila. Kaya mo lang.
Ano? Nasa bang specialty?
Isang shot ng espresso ata to.
Bakit di ka makatulog? Ang aga natin mamaya.
Ah, lamig! Malamig na nga, nag-yellow ice.
Bibili kami ng laundry detergent. Sana makanap kami ng mura lang. Okay, let's do this. I think, hindi naman natin inumin eh. Let's go. Ay, see you pala yung may tax refund, do. See you pala. Ano sa'yo? Okay lang. Okay. Cold. Wait.
Is okay?
Han, iwan ko dito. Ay, hindi, wag na. Laundry detergent. Laundry. Shucks, ano kaya okay dito? 11.9, 7.9. Ay, ito 7.9 lang, oh, dalawa. Ito, oh.
Basic lang.
7.9. Okay na siguro to, oh. Beat. Yun yung pangalan ng brand, Beat. Okay ba to? Ultra compact. Sarap. Kaso matamis. Tomorrow we'll go back to Seoul. And we're gonna do some laundry. Let's do this.
And that concludes our fun trip in Busan, South Korea. Our next stop is
Seoul.
If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. 안녕.
Our train to Seoul will depart at 9:05 a.m.
Hello, Kayla.
2, 1, go!
Opposite.